Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a trend that's taking the financial world by storm: hybrid cloud technology. But what does this mean for you? Here we'll give you an explanation on what it is, what's the real impact in finance, and how can you profit from it. Make sure to stay for the extra bonuses. Let's break this down. The hybrid cloud model combines the best features of both private and public clouds, tailored to meet specific business needs. Financial institutions keep sensitive data on-premise under stringent security measures while leveraging public clouds for less sensitive tasks. This duality forms the core of hybrid cloud's appeal in finance. Hybrid cloud solutions provide the agility to scale resources up or down. Private clouds offer enhanced security features critical for compliance. Institutions can optimize IT spending by using public cloud resources for high-demand scenarios. Hybrid cloud technology drives efficiency in financial services by enabling more streamlined operations. It allows different segments of a financial institution to access and share information quickly and securely, minimizing downtime and speeding up response times. Instead of maintaining large in-house data centers that may not be fully utilized all the time, financial institutions can leverage cloud computing to access extra resources only when needed. This approach reduces overhead costs associated with physical infrastructure and lowers energy consumption. The adaptability of hybrid cloud solutions allows financial institutions to implement advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning on a scalable basis. These technologies require significant computational power, which can be cost-proactively managed through the scalable resources of the cloud. Hybrid cloud technology is transforming the finance industry by enhancing operational efficiencies. Major banks are adopting hybrid cloud solutions to meet diverse needs. A leading global bank streamlined consumer banking services, reducing processing times and improving customer satisfaction. A multinational insurance company enhanced data analytics capabilities with hybrid cloud. Investment firms leverage hybrid cloud for high-frequency trading, executing transactions at unprecedented speeds. Hybrid cloud facilitates new financial services like peer-to-peer lending and mobile banking. The future of hybrid cloud in finance looks promising with ongoing advancements in technology. Innovations in AI, machine learning, and blockchain are driving the evolution of hybrid cloud in finance. Key trends include the integration of AI and machine learning with hybrid cloud environments. These technologies analyze large volumes of data, providing valuable insights. Blockchain enhances the security and efficiency of financial operations. Hybrid cloud environments are well suited to host blockchain applications. Fintech startups are driving innovation in hybrid cloud solutions. The adoption of hybrid cloud technology is a strategic decision that can significantly enhance the competitiveness and efficiency of financial institutions. By providing scalability, flexibility, and enhanced security, hybrid cloud enables these institutions to respond more effectively to market demands and regulatory changes. The ability to integrate new technologies and optimize resource use further strengthens the financial sector's capabilities. As the finance industry continues to evolve, the importance of technology in driving innovation and efficiency cannot be overstated. Hybrid cloud is at the forefront of this transformation, offering a powerful tool for financial institutions to innovate, adapt, and thrive in a rapidly changing environment. Embracing hybrid cloud is not merely a technological upgrade, it is a strategic move towards a more agile and competitive future. For financial institutions looking to stay ahead in the competitive landscape, investing in hybrid cloud technology is an imperative. The ongoing advancements in cloud computing promise even greater capabilities and opportunities for those willing to adopt and adapt. As financial institutions leverage hybrid cloud technology to innovate and grow, they become more efficient and profitable. Look for institutions making these transitions. Microsoft, Azure, and Amazon, AWS, are poised for growth. Investing in their stocks can be a smart move. For investors, this presents a compelling opportunity. Companies that offer robust hybrid cloud solutions are poised for substantial growth as more organizations recognize the benefits of these technologies. By investing in these tech giants, you can be part of this transformative wave, supporting the future of technology while potentially enhancing your financial portfolio. The future of finance, and indeed many other industries, is intertwined with the capabilities of hybrid cloud technology. Think of all the times you saw stocks growing high and thinking that had you would have invested early. Well, this is the moment when you know before it happens. Banks and financial firms adopting hybrid cloud technologies can become more efficient and profitable. Look for institutions making these transitions and consider investing in their stocks. Investing in the leaders of hybrid cloud technology is not just about capitalizing on current trends. It's about being part of a future where technology drives success and growth across all sectors. Keep an eye on startups innovating in the hybrid cloud space. These companies could offer high growth potential as the technology becomes more widespread. You can find these startups on platforms like AngelList, Crunchbase, and through various tech incubators and accelerators. Investing in these forward-thinking startups not only supports technological advancements, but also positions you at the forefront of a rapidly evolving industry. As hybrid cloud technology continues to integrate into the financial sector, the opportunities for substantial returns on investment grow exponentially. Stay informed, stay ahead, and invest wisely in the future of hybrid cloud. Learning about hybrid cloud technology can open up new career opportunities. Courses and certifications in cloud computing are valuable and in demand. You can learn cloud computing through platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. By gaining expertise in hybrid cloud technology, you not only enhance your skill set, but also position yourself in a field that's growing and evolving rapidly. Whether you're looking to advance in your current role or pivot to a new career, embracing hybrid cloud knowledge can be a game changer. So, take the step today and invest in your future through education and continuous learning. As more businesses go digital, remote work opportunities expand. Hybrid cloud technology often supports remote infrastructure, making freelance tech jobs more available. Here are some beginner-friendly freelance tech jobs and an approximation of how long it takes to learn them. Web developer, 3 to 6 months. Graphic designer, 2 to 4 months. Data entry specialist, 1 to 2 months. Social media manager, 2 to 3 months. Virtual assistant, 1 to 2 months. These roles are not only in demand but also offer the flexibility to work from anywhere. By leveraging hybrid cloud technology, you can access resources and collaborate with teams globally, ensuring that your freelance career thrives. So, whether you're looking to start fresh or expand your skill set, the hybrid cloud can open doors to new and exciting opportunities. Embrace the digital shift and take control of your career path today. Before we wrap up, here are 3 bonus tips to maximize your profits. Bonus tip 1. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different sectors to mitigate risks. Bonus tip 2. Stay informed. Keep up with tech and financial news to spot new trends early. Bonus tip 3. Network with industry experts. Join online forums and attend webinars to connect with professionals in the field. There you have it. The rise of hybrid cloud technology in the financial sector is a trend you don't want to miss. By investing smartly, acquiring new skills, and staying informed, you can ride this wave to financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share it with your friends. Drop your comments below and let us know how you plan to profit from this trend.